how to set permissions and board owners in Monday.com. You can do this in 7 simple steps. 1. Open Monday.com and navigate to the board where you want to set permissions. Ensure you have admin or owner access to make these changes. 2. Click on the Board Settings menu by selecting the 3-dot icon at the top right corner of the board. This will show multiple configuration options. 3. Select Board Permissions from the list. Here, you can manage access levels for different users, restricting or granting permissions. Choose the appropriate permission settings based on your needs. You can allow only owners to edit, restrict column edits, or set view-only access for specific members. 5. To assign a board owner, go to the Board Members section. Locate the user you want to make an owner and click on their role settings. 6. Select Make Owner from the options. The user will now have full control over the board, including permission settings and administrative access. 7. Save your changes and notify your team about the updated permissions. This ensures that only the right people can modify or manage the board effectively. Your permissions and board owners are now successfully set up.